Today I'll show you how to use Gling AI to handle most of the heavy lifting with editing. First, drag and drop your raw video file here. Gling supports a wide range of file formats, so you shouldn't have compatibility issues. You can even upload a script for better caption accuracy. Gling's caption is pretty good, but uploading a script ensures the captions match perfectly. Consider adding them if captions are a key part of your video. Now, Gling offers several smart editing features. You can cut silences to remove any silent pauses in your footage. This is a lifesaver for those moments when we pause for a few seconds. Next is bad takes. If you make a mistake and restart the line, Gling will cut out the extra takes. If you're doing a video with a lot of face-to-camera movements, consider adding a jump cut zoom. It zooms in slightly for each jump cut, creating smoother transitions. If you have any background noise, Gling's remove noise option will filter it out. Click on this to clean up your audio. Once you've selected your edits, hit enhance and edit. Gling will take it from here. While you wait, Gling offers some useful tips and tutorials. Take a quick look at these, as they may introduce new features or updates. Once Gling completes the edits, it's time to review the video. Here you can check out the difference in the duration, as Gling removes unnecessary section. You can edit your captions here. Gling lets you add or adjust captions in just a few clicks. This feature is handy if you want to tweak the timing or correct any minor transcript errors. When you're done, you can add final tweaks by selecting and cutting specific sections. Once you're happy with your edit, simply export your video. Gling takes care of the heavy lifting, saving you time, especially on longer projects.
Thanks for watching. If this video was helpful, please like and subscribe to our channel for more tips and tutorials.